In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get gold cards in Monopoly Go. Now, if you're a fan of Monopoly and love playing it on your mobile, you're in the right place. We're diving into some essential strategies that will help you snag those coveted gold cards, enhancing your gameplay and taking you to the next level. First things first, you'll want to have the Monopoly Go mobile app loaded up on your device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version to ensure the smoothest gameplay experience. Once you're in the app, either set up a new game or continue with an existing one. Gold cards are special, so we're going to focus on what's needed to acquire them. As you start rolling the dice in Monopoly Go, focus on achieving specific goals. Playing strategically will help you progress towards earning those gold cards. One critical aspect here is aiming for the purple bag during your gameplay. This purple bag can contain goodies that help boost your progress, making it easier to get those gold cards. So keep your eyes peeled for any opportunities to nab that bag. Keep the game rolling, literally. The more you play, the higher your chances are of achieving your objectives. It's all about maintaining momentum. In Monopoly Go, perseverance pays off, so keep those dice rolling and rack up as many points and rewards as you can. Another tip is to join tournaments. Tournaments offer milestones and event-specific goals. Not only do these tournaments enhance the competitive spirit, but they often provide opportunities that are unavailable in standard gameplay, leading you closer to scoring those gold cards. Don't overlook the social aspect of Monopoly Go. Playing with friends can be beneficial, as you can often send or request cards, including the rare gold ones. Pool your resources and work collaboratively. Building a network of friends in the game can significantly increase your chances of obtaining these cards. Now let's talk about golden stickers. These are pivotal when aiming for gold cards. You can send or ask for these stickers from friends within the game. Utilize this feature to your advantage, as it can be a strategic move in your quest. As you navigate the app, keep an eye out for a golden banner at the top of your screen. This banner can indicate special events or promotions where gold cards might be offered, so you don't want to miss these opportunities. Being aware and proactive about these features is key. Lastly, if you're looking to fast-track your success, the premium package may be considered. It offers additional benefits and could potentially offer more gold cards. However, remember to weigh the costs and benefits carefully. By following these strategies, you'll be well on your way to collecting all those gold cards in Monopoly Go. Happy gaming!